Oh, hello, you must be the new staff. I'm Jamal. I'm Sudish. I recognize your name. Have we met before? I don't think so. Perhaps we met at the supermarket. I often go there with my friends. No, it doesn't sound familiar. Actually, I don't get out much these days due to the increasing corona cases. But still, I have heard your name before. Just a moment. Yeah, now I remember. We met at the petrol pump when I was still working as a staff there. Oh yes, oh yes, I remember now. You were having problem with an auto driver? Gosh, what a coincidence. Well, who would have ever thought we would end up working together? So, how are things going? Well, it's still too early to say. Today is my first day at work. Subscribe you, bell icon amartu. Thank you so much for watching.